Hey guys, it's Jennifer Sparks. I'm at East Lyme, Connecticut today, and we're going to be checking out Rocky Neck State Park. This is my first time seeing this place, and I was blown away. It's so super special. It was amazing. It's a gorgeous autumn day. It's during the week. It's not a holiday, so it was just magical to be there pretty much alone. It was so peaceful and gorgeous. As I said, I was new to this area, so I wasn't sure where I was going. If you are new to this channel, welcome. I'm doing videos about Connecticut. I've lived here my entire life and I have seen hardly anything. Like, I'm always in the same 4 or 5 towns. So I'm making this channel so I could discover things, and I'm going to take other people with me. So if you're into this kind of thing, kindly hit the subscribe button and like this video. That would be awesome. All right, we're in here now where the beach is. It was just magical. So I'm going to stop talking right now and let you enjoy the tour. So stick around and enjoy.
If you're still with me, thank you very much. I hope you're enjoying this tour. I really just really trying to make this channel to promote something very positive. You know, I can't even stand going on social media. Everybody's fighting with everyone. It's just a very trying time for a lot of people. So I'm trying to find really places to suggest where people could go. I mean, I felt so zen when I was here, like nothing bothered me. And the best part, it's after Labor Day. It was totally free, $0. This is your host, Jennifer Sparks. It's been very fun hanging out with you. Be kind to one another, and we'll see you soon. Have a wonderful afternoon in Connecticut.